Hello, my dear little warriors. Welcome back. In this video, we shall see find the LCM and HCF of the following pairs of integers and verify that LCM into HCF is equal to product of the two numbers. First subdivision is 26 and 91. 26 and 91. So let's find the factors for 26. Divisible by 2 table, 13 divisible by 13, then 1. The factors for 26 are 2 and 13. Let's find the factors for 91. 91 will go in 7 tables. 13 is a prime number. 1. The factors for 91 is 7 and 13. Highest common factor. Highest common factor is here we have 13 common in both, so 13 will be the highest common factor. Least common multiple. For least common multiple, there is a rule. Each common factor gets one spot in the LCM. Each common factor gets one spot in the LCM. That one spot will use the highest power we found. That one spot will get the highest power we found. So here, so the LCM here will be, what does the LCM rule says? Each common factor gets one spot in the LCM. So the common factors are 2, 13 and 7 and 13. So they get one spot. So 2, 7, 13. These are the common factors between the two numbers 26 and 91. So they will get one spot, and that one spot will get the highest power. Highest power we have is only 1. So this is the least common multiple. When you multiply this, you will get 182. Then verify the answer. Least common multiple into highest common factor will be equal to product of the given two numbers. Product of the two numbers. Least common multiple is 182. Highest common factor is 30. So when you multiply this, you get an answer 2366. And product of two numbers. Numbers are 26 and 91. When you multiply these two numbers, you will also get 2366. Means if the answers are same, then the verification is done, then the answer is correct. You can move to the next question. Second part of the question is 510 and 92. Factors for 510. 2, 255 is 3, 85, 5, 17 is a prime number. The factors are 2 into 3 into 5 into 17. And for 92, the factors are 2 tables, 46, 2 tables, 23. 23 is a prime number, 23. So the factors for 92 are 2 to the power 2 into 23. Now the highest common factor here is 2. Least common multiple. Each common factor gets one spot in the LCM. The common factors are 2, 3, 5, 17, and 23. So 2, 3, 5, 17, and 23. And the next second part of the rule is that one spot will get the highest power. So here the highest power is 2. So 2 will be 2 square here. Okay. Now when you multiply this, you will get an answer 23460. So LCM is 23460. Therefore, LCM into HCF will be equal to product of two numbers. So LCM is 23460 into 2 will be equal to 46920. And product of two numbers 5 and 0 into 92 will also give you 46920. If the answers are same between the left hand side and right hand side, then the calculation is correct. Hence it is. Now we'll see the next question. Next question is our next subdivision 336 and 54. Okay. Let's find the factors for 336. 336 divisible by 2. Divisible by 2 is 168. Again divisible by 2, 84. Again divisible by 2, 42. Again divisible by 2, 21. 21 is divisible by 3. Then 7. 7 is a prime number. Okay. Factors are 336 equal to 2 to the power 1, 2, 3, 4 into 3 into 7. Let's find the factors for 54. 54, 2 tables. 27, 3 tables. 9, 3 tables. 3, 3, 1. So the factors for 54 will be 2 into 3 to the power 3. Now the highest common factor here is 2, 2, both I got 2 and both I got 3. So highest common factor is 2 into 3, that will be 6. Least common multiple. Least common multiple, I told you, there is a formula, there is a rule. So each common factor gets one spot in the LCM. So the common factors here are 2, 3, and 7. And the second part of the rule says that one spot will get the highest power. Here for 2, the highest power is 4, and for 3, the highest power is 3. Okay. Now, when you multiply this, you will get 3024. 3024. Okay, now verify the answer. LCM into HCF will be equal to product of two numbers. LCM is 3024. HCF is 6. When you multiply these two, you'll get 18144. And product of two numbers 336 into 54. When you multiply these two, 18144. The left hand side is equal to right hand side. Hence proved. Hope you understood the working. Thank you so much. Only catch is you should know how to write the value for HCF and you should know how to write the value for LCM. LCM, you basically follow this rule. Each common factor gets one spot in the LCM and that one spot will get the highest power report. Also, some students will have doubts. Sir, you are starting from 2 and then going to 3. Yeah, you're starting from 2 and then going to 3 and then 7. Okay. Can we do in other order? Yes, you can do in any order, but take only prime numbers and there is a possibility that you might miss. That is the reason, like we are going from the base number, that is 2, and then we gradually go up on the numbers. Okay, so otherwise you can follow any order, you can follow any numbers, but still, because this, suppose for example, in this one, this value which you got, that is unique for this one. That is what is the fundamental theorem of arithmetic says, as per theorem 1.1. Whatever factors we get, that factors will be unique for this particular number. You will not get the same factors for the next number. Okay, so therefore you can change the order. You can change, instead of using 2, you can use 3. If it is going in 3 tables, and then if you're getting the answer, it's well enough. Fine, no issues. Okay, that's it. Then see you in the next question. Thank you.